Hello friend, welcome back. Here we'll show you how to convert the Python code to executable for Linux, Android, Windows, Raspberry Pi and Libre computer. There are several computing devices available. For example, desktop, mobile or small computing devices like Raspberry. These desktop and mobile computing devices vary in their architecture. They are 8664 or 86. This is 64-bit. This is 32-bit. These are mainly for desktop. Similarly, for mobile devices also, devices with ARM architecture are available. ARM v7 is for 32-bit. ARM v8 is for 64-bit devices. Number of 64-bit devices are increasing and the number of 32-bit devices are decreasing. When you write some code, will the same code run on all these devices? Yes, it will. And here Python will come for your rescue. But there is a catch. If you write the code in one device and deploy it to the other device, maybe a similar architecture or different architecture or different OS, then you need to make sure that the Python is installed in the user PC and you need to import all the modules of your code in the user device. So how do you solve it? The solution is to package it. Package all your Python interpreter and all your modules into a package so that user does not need to install Python or user does not need to install any additional modules. This package is also in the form of executable so that user can just click it and run it. Since there are different type of architecture available for different operating systems, you need different kind of executable for each operating system based on their architecture. For Linux, you need executable. For Android, you need to have APK or AAV. For Android, you need to have the version on for 32-bit and 64-bit for both ARM-based devices, non-ARM-based devices. For Windows, you need to have executable for mostly 64-bit devices for Reason Windows. For Raspberry Pi, it is based on ARM architecture. You need executable. For Libre computer also, you need to have executable for ARM devices. In a nutshell, you need different executable, either executable APK or EXE based on their architecture. Since the requirement is different, you need special tools to package it. Fortunately, the tools are available. In Linux, one of the known tools is Pyinstaller, which will create an executable. In Android, you have Python for Android or Buildozer. They will both produce APK as well as AAB. For Windows, the same Pyinstaller will create exe. For Raspberry Pi and Libre computer, you have Pyinstaller. Though Pyinstaller is used in all these operating systems except Android, you need to run Pyinstaller in each operating system to get the executable. So you will get the executable APK or exe based on your choice of operating system. We have applied all these principles. We have created a sample app for all these operating systems, which is a image to PDF converter. This is available for Linux, Android, Windows, and Raspberry Pi and Libre computer. We have written the code only once, and the same code is converted to all these executables by using these installers. So this will reduce your time as you write your Python code once and deploy in all these as executables. You can download the source code and executable for free at this link. Generating the Python to executable is a pain. It'll take a lot of time and resources. It'll give you a lot of bugs during conversion itself. We are here to help you. We will take the pain of converting. We will generate or we will convert the Python code to executable for 5 OSs listed earlier. We charge 25 US dollars, which is approximately 2000 Indian rupees. Additional thing is, we can also hide your Python code. It will be converted to shared object and or DLL so that the Python code cannot be read. Python code cannot just be read. It will be converted to binary format. This can be done to the entire project. If you need help in packaging your Python code, please contact us in this email ID. Thank you.